In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the creator insights in TikTok. So you'll need to go and open your TikTok application. And once you do so, of course, you will need to go to your settings. So you'll need to go to your profile first. Then once you go to your profile, if you go to the top right corner, as you can see three lines, you'll find settings at the bottom. Go and click on this. Once you do so, as you can see in here, you should find in here, normally you should find the creator tool in your profile settings. Then you can enable simply the creator insights. For me, I'm not a creator, so if I go here to analytics and go to followers, they'll tell me at least get more insights once you reach 100 follower. So if I have 100 follower at least, which means I'll be, you can say creator at 100 follower, I'll have this option to be enabled in my settings. For me, I'm not a creator, so I'll not be able to find it. But for you, you should find it here on the settings. You can just look it up or look for it and simply just go and do it as well. And you should be, of course, good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. You can, of course, after all, use it on your views and etc. And yeah, so that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.